A Kentucky man is suing the government over a program that seizes a property belonging to criminal suspects. The federal government took nearly $29 billion worth of money and property between 2001 and 2014, and most of it was seized without charging anyone with a crime. Jan Crawford is on Capitol Hill, where lawmakers plan to investigate this program. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning. So civil forfeiture was really meant to help law enforcement go after the drug cartels, where tying money or assets to a big cartel boss could be difficult. But now lawmakers here on Capitol Hill say they're going to look into cases where property is being seized from innocent people. And some of those property owners are taking their cases to court. In 2015, rancher Gerardo Serrano drove from his home in rural Kentucky to visit his cousin in Mexico. As he crossed the border in Eagle Pass, Texas, Serrano snapped a picture, drawing the attention of agents who pulled him out of his truck and started searching his vehicle.
The next thing I know, one of the agents say, "We got him."
He said, "We got him."
We got him.
Like he found something.
Like he found something. And he shows me a magazine with 5 bullets in it. I have a conceal and carry license.
Was there a gun with him?
No.
Serrano, a U.S. citizen, was detained for hours before agents informed him they would be seizing his new Ford pickup, accusing him of transporting munitions of war across a U.S. border. The seizure was authorized under a program that empowers law enforcement to take money or property suspected of being linked to a crime. Even without a conviction, agencies often use the money or auction off the property and keep the proceeds. The federal government's forfeiture fund increased from roughly $1 billion in 2007 to $4.5 billion in 2014. And in 26 states where records are public, more than $250 million was seized in 2012 alone.
So as said forfeiture, we're going to go back on.
After assuming office, President Trump vowed to roll back Obama-era restrictions on the program.
Please have a seat.
In July, Attorney General Jeff Sessions followed through, but promised more Justice Department oversight.
I love that program.
Since then, Sessions has trumpeted the program's successes.
Taking drug dealers' money and passing it out to people trying to put drug dealers in jail. What's wrong with that?
Officers like Montgomery County Police Chief Tom Manger argue the program shouldn't be eliminated because of a few bad actors.
We cannot just allow people who have earned hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars through criminal activity to keep that money. So let's find a way to do this right.
25 states have passed reforms in recent years to protect citizens from forfeiture abuse. But the Institute for Justice still grades most protections as below average, giving the federal government a D-. Robert Johnson is a lawyer with the Institute and has taken on Serrano's case pro bono. He says the current federal policy provides a big loophole.
You could still be pulled over by a state police officer who says, "Oh gosh, you have cash in your car, I want to take it." And instead of forfeiting it under state law, I'm going to transfer it to the federal government.
While many individuals admit guilt just to get their property back, Serrano, who relies on his truck for work, has paid nearly $20,000 while waiting for his day in court.
I wanted the judge to see this, and I want them at some point to stop this policy.
Do you ever think, I'm an American citizen?
Look, if they changed my government, I want to know. I need the Bill of Rights. If we don't have my rights, what do we got?
Now, Customs and Border Patrol told us the agency won't comment on pending litigation, but that its agents are trained to follow the law. But some critics hope that Serrano's case, or one like it, will someday make it to the Supreme Court, where conservatives like Justice Clarence Thomas have signaled opposition to the program. Norah?
Jan, a really important story. Thank you so much.